Hello everyone, welcome to you on my YouTube channel, Think Future Onwards. Today we are going to learn the function transpose. We have three methods. Method 1 is a static approach. Method 2, we are using transpose function, and method 3, there is a trick to convert this data to transpose. So I will show you that one, how to do this one. Method 1, transpose method 1. See here, that is a static approach. It is very easy. I'm just removing this data. Okay. I'll copy this data, Control C, and anywhere I can just click it and right click, paste function, click on the paste function and transpose. See how easy it is. Whatever the data you have it, you can, in a seconds, you can do this one. I can give you another example of the data. I have this data file, which is a huge data with me. And if I'm going to transpose this one, I'll just select my data, okay, copy, and I'll come to here in this sheet, transpose method, just going to click here, right click, paste special, transpose. So this is the thing which you can do it quickly. Okay. Now I'm going to teach you the second method, okay, where we are using the transpose function. How to do this one? For example, you have this data with you, okay, and we are going to convert this data to transpose function. It's very easy. It's very tricky and it's very easy. You don't have to worry about it. Only the thing you need to focus on the function, which is very important function you have to do on the last after writing the formula. That is, I'm writing it here, mentioning it here. I'll make it bold and Control Shift Enter button. How to do this one? Now I'm coming to that point. Okay, from here to here, for example, my data can come. I can see it here. Okay, accordingly, I will prepare this one. Now what I'm going to do it. Okay, see here, equals to transpose, and I will give my array to it. Okay, this one selected, and after this one, you have to bear with me. You need to do a small function which I typed it here. You can see Control Shift and Enter. See, all data is here. And if you are, see, for example, doing this exercise, it will not, for example, okay, I'll delete it here, and it will not, because transpose function, it is doing from here to here as well. See here. Okay, I'll give you another example of this function. For example, I'm doing it, this exercise up to here, equals to transpose. Okay, just click the tab and put your all data here in the array, Control Shift Enter. See, it is up to some values, it is bring it here, but all the values are not here. So what to do? You can just drag the information here, but it is not. See, it's wrong. It is not bringing that value. What you need to do? You have to highlight this all and Control Shift Enter. This value to this value, Control Shift Enter. Transpose. Okay, yeah, okay. Transpose this function from here to here. I'm writing it here. No, I have to highlight first. Actually, the information I have to highlight, and from here to here, either here. Okay. Yes, equals to transpose. What is my array? This is my array. And after that, Control Shift Enter. So see, all the information is here with us now. The third function is, it's a little tricky, but you can do this one. How to do this one? For example, now I'm going to make it, if I will do it something like this one, see what will happen. What will happen? It will not do the function what we are looking for, see. So what we need to do it, we will do another thing. It's very easy and it's very tricky one. You can understand very quickly how to do it. Just right here, LGA1, okay, and LGB1, okay. Now I'm going to drag this information up to here. See here now, and then Control F, find and replace. Okay, I'm going to replace with the equal sign. LG will be replaced by the equal sign. Replace all. See, all values are here with you. You can see that one. You can match them. All values are available with you. So we are using the transpose function, the best function. I would suggest, if you are not, looking for that data is changing, data is vibrant, and it's not variable data, which will change in the future, you can just copy and paste the transpose function method 1. If in a condition that your data is not changing, if your data is changing, then you have to go through the option 2 or option 3. So these are the functionalities. I will paste this approach as well over there in my description. And this is the quick overview of today's exercise. I think so you can apply your daily routine exercise. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get updates whenever the new video is there. If you want me to cover any other topic, please leave a message or comment. I will definitely prepare for you that video. Thank you very much.